Empire is distinguished from all other sponsors because we help your delivery agency grow. Our focus is on building up the business of our instructors. We put students in your seats. Here are 5 ways Empire Safety Council helps your agency grow. Student referrals. When students in your area call us at headquarters looking to take the course, we refer them to call your agency to schedule the class. This is one of the ways we put students in your seats and keep the focus on the classroom course. Free webpage. Upon your request, our webmaster can design a webpage that advertises your agency. This is free of charge, and you can add your own input, graphics, and whatever else you would like to the page. It's an effective tool for marketing your class. Renewal postcards. Every student that you teach will receive a postcard at the end of their 3-year insurance benefit discount period, referring them to contact you to retake the course. The postcard has your agency name and number on it, and it's one of the many ways we help you build your business. Free marketing materials and proposals. Empire provides you with free handbills and posters whenever you are in need of them. All you need to do is give us a call. Agent proposals help you build partners in education. A partner in education could be defined as any municipality, institution, or corporation that you make an arrangement with to teach at their location. These forms are simple and make whatever we offer to you and your clients very clear. Subsidized Advertising. Empire Safety Council is partnered with a processing and marketing company called Lorraine Gregory Communications. Through this company, we are utilizing the United States Postal Service's Every Door Direct Mail campaign program. And if you choose to take advantage of this opportunity, we can send colored postcards to every home in a chosen radius of your classroom advertising your agency. For a limited time, Empire is subsidizing 25% of your campaign costs. In conclusion, we help fill your classes and keep students in the classroom. We ensure that you are proud to teach our course by providing you with quality content. Our workbooks and films are updated regularly and well put together. When you consider everything we provide for your business, it's not hard to understand why Empire has the absolute best value and compares favorably in price. Call us and let us show you how Empire compares favorably in price and how we can grow your agency. Thank you.